Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, in the gallery, with a leftover pan of colors and some colors that I like in there, and an inclination to find myself some turquoise. Please be open. No, of course not. And I think there's just enough color in here so that if I add a layer of white paint to that canvas and let this spread down and scrape it out also, I'll just leave that. And I'm going to also clean that tip out because I might want more of that for sure. I wish I could just blow through these sometimes. Seriously, that would be so convenient. And then I'd have a really interesting shade of lipstick. Okay, so that's way better than it was, and I'm pretty sure I can use it again if I need to. I also have a little bit of leftover color on my edge catcher from the last painting right there, and I want to use it and see if there's anything in there that I might want more of. But for right now I think I'm okay. So I'm thinking half black, half white. In as strange a configuration. Hopefully that's somewhat cleaner than I think it is. And I want a little bit of, I want it to be a little tiny bit heavy. And I'd like it to go all the way to the edge. And I might as well scrape off my edge on my I'm going to wipe that off. No, I'm not. I'm going to throw it in the bucket because I have one more left. I know I'm going about this in a weird way, but this is always my opportunity when I start a painting. To play a little bit. So I'm going to tip it that way. Actually, I'm going to make sure that I see no canvas. To heck with it. I'm not waiting for that to roll down. So if you scrape your blade one way and then tap it the other way, it works as a very, very nice coverage tool. This is the OXO omelet turning spatula. I am sure that most of the people who watch me know what this is, and probably a lot of you own them. But if you don't own one, I definitely recommend it. It's a little bit of a learning curve for a minute. If you got to learn how to go as flat as possible. You can see with black, a little goes a long way along that edge. And I can always cover what I need to later. Looks like a mountain silhouette. It's very cool. Maybe I should just dribble with my shovel. I was going to pour that on, but I think I'm going to dribble with my shovel. And there's still more paint left. Who knows what I'm going to do? I have no idea. That's a bubble. What do I want to add in there? Anything? That is way too thin. I wonder what happened to that. I've tried to use that a bunch of times with the same results. It's not good. I seem to come out of it okay. I'm just going to keep playing until I don't feel like it anymore. Kind of feel like using airbrush on this, and I know that's kind of crazy because once that happens, all bets are off, kind of, sort of. Kind of feel like some gold, if I can find some gold. In the meantime, the purple flash from Folk Art is always my favorite. It occurs to me I am probably out of your focus. Okay, so now I need to find that gold that I cleaned up. Do I want to do anything else to it? I mean, I could tip it, but it's going to change everything. I think I like the gold. Somebody went like, when don't you like the gold? And I'm like, I always like the gold. That's kind of cute. I don't mind that a bit. I kind of wonder if I want some white dots in the black and some black in the white. Kind of like that. That's weird. Yeah, strange is good. And then just come back and do the same thing. Gotta remember to stop hitting it with the bottle. But I'm liking what I'm getting. And a few dots won't hurt anything. Cool. That's excellent. That's nice. That's a really nice surprise. That's my last video of the day. Thank you guys for joining me. There's over 91,000 of you subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please join us. If you're back again, thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate all the wonderful comments you guys leave me. Thank you so much. The donations are really appreciated. They help me buy art supplies. Thank you very much for that. I'm thinking a few spirals are going to happen here. Because I can. That's the name of my first book next to my second book. My first book is on the Amazon link underneath the link tree right under the video. You can find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links there also, as well as my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Liking those little spirals. Very much fun. Just lots and lots of fun. And a few dots never hurt anybody. Yep, I'm liking those too. I'm not sure that they were necessary, but I still don't mind it. As a matter of fact, I still like it a lot. So, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Look for over 1,800 videos organized on playlists. 18 lists of 100. Yeah, I gotta fix that. And topic, and the rest are by topic and genre. If you ever have a question, feel free to ask me. That's better. I don't know why it's better. It's just better. So, I'm so distracted by this piece I can't hardly tell you that underneath the video you will find Teespring clothing, all-over print leggings and all-over print t-shirts with my designs on them, and should you ever happen to want any more or anything that you see that I create as leggings or t-shirt, just ask me and I will try and oblige you by adding them, or trying to add them at least. If in doubt, spiral it out. Yes, I wasn't sure I was happy, but I'm happier with the spirals than without them. So, why not? I think I want tendrils though. It's a strange piece, but I like it. The white viney thing. Okay. Do you like everything you see? Close. Oh, whatever. Please give me a thumbs up. Please like my videos. Please share my videos. Please watch my videos longer. And I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I also, under the link tree, you will find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and you will often find tomorrow's video there. Advertised in advance. My community board on Facebook, my community board on YouTube, right under my YouTube banner will show you the community board where you can find tomorrow's video. Boy, I just tripped right over my brain. I'm so sorry. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students is on the link tree, and it's a Facebook group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America, and it is also a Facebook group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors will open up albums that you might want to see of artworks created for YouTube. Not all of them are there. If you ever need something, ask me a question. Look for my paint pouring recipe under the description, and please, by all means, Don't be shy. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, that was fun. Thank you for joining me. I'm a little slow today, but it's okay. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. And look for the place to donate, PayPal or Patreon, if you want to be in the monthly drawing. You can see what the prizes are for whoever wins the drawing on the end screen video of every video. In the last 20 seconds, look for the exhibition video, and it will show you almost right off the bat, most of the time, what that next month's prizes will be. I love you guys. Take care of each other. I told you all that already. I'm going to go now before I get in any more trouble. Bye. Priscilla out.